दार्जिलिङ पुलिसले जीटीएको सहयोगमा यसपालि पनि भव्य रूपले दार्जिलिङ मेलोडी फेस्टको आयोजना गर्ने भएको छ। यसै फेस्टमाझ सम्पन्न हुने वेस्टर्न म्युजिक कम्पिटिसनमा पुरस्कार स्वरूप 12 लाख अनि नेपाली म्युजिक प्रतियोगितामा 6 लाख रुपैयाँ बराबरको राशि प्रदान गरिने भएको छ। दार्जिलिङको पर्यटन, संस्कृति, खेल, कला, फोटोग्राफी, एडभेन्चर स्पोर्ट्स, गीत संगीत आदिलाई प्रोत्साहित तुल्याउने उद्देश्यले आगामी 18 देखि 22 डिसेम्बरसम्म सम्पन्न हुने यस दार्जिलिङ मेलोडी फेस्टमा नेपाल, भुटानदेखि देशका विभिन्न स्थानका कैयौं म्युजिक ब्यान्डका कलाकारहरूले भाग लिने भएको दार्जिलिङका पुलिस अधीक्षक प्रवीण प्रकाशले बताएका छन्।
यसबाट हामीले जुन म्याराथन जो छ जसले चाहिँ दार्जिलिङ पुलिसलाई मात्र एउटा पहिचान दिइरहेको थियो र जिजेले त्यस समय एउटा प्रिन्सिपल स्पोन्सरको रूपमा मात्र एउटा स्पोन्सरसिप निभाइरहेको थियो भने र यो जुन सेकेन्ड एडिसनसम्म आइपुग्दा चाहिँ हामीले एउटा निदो गरेको एडमिनिस्ट्रेसन कि हामी एउटा संयुक्त रूपमा गर्नुपर्छ। अनि यसमा चाहिँ यसपालि हामी एउटा टुरिज्म डिपार्टमेन्ट पनि एउटा संयुक्त रूपमा हामीले गरेर चाहिँ यो एउटा सबैको एउटा इभेन्ट हुनुपर्छ भन्ने एउटा सोच र यो एउटा सोच एउटा आकार दिन गइरहेको छ, यो साकार पनि हुन गइरहेको छ यसपल्ट। र यो जुन हामीले जुन जिटे टुरिज्मले सधैँ हामीले एउटा विन्टर फेस्टिभल गर्थ्यौँ र यो विन्टर फेस्टिभललाई पनि हामीले यसपल्ट डिसेम्बर महिनामा जुन गरिने गर्थ्यौँ त्यो विन्टर फेस्टिभललाई नगरेर चाहिँ यो दार्जिलिङ जुन मेलोडी फेस्टलाई नै सबै इन्कर्पोरेट गरेर जसमा चाहिँ यहाँनिर आएर जुन म्याराथन छ त्यो पनि इन्कर्पोरेट भएको छ यसमा र जुन चाहिँ दार्जिलिङमा जुन एउटा विरासतमा छ हाम्रो सङ्गीत र जुन चाहिँ मेलोडी सङ्गीतलाई पनि यसबाट यसमा इन्कर्पोरेट गरेको छ र टिमले दार्जिलिङलाई चिनाउँछ। यो सबै गरेर चाहिँ टुरिज्मले दार्जिलिङलाई चिनाएको छ भने हामी सबै इन्कर्पोरेट गरेर चाहिँ यसबाट विभागीय तर्फबाट पनि यो फेस्टिभललाई हामी एउटा साकार गर्न गइरहेको छौँ र यो पल्ट हामीले दार्जिलिङले चिनाउने यो एउटा फेस्टिभल रहनेछ। र यहाँ तपाईँले अघि एसपी साहबले भन्नुहुँदै थियो कि यसबाट हामीले टुरिज्म विभागले चाहिँ यसमा के गरिरहेको छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले यसबाट एउटा क्षेत्रलाई हामीले चिन्हित गरेको छौँ जहाँ चाहिँ तक्दा टिस्टाभेली क्षेत्रलाई चाहिँ हामीले जुन चाहिँ एउटा गोर्खा भिलेजको रूपमा जहाँ चाहिँ तिर टुरिज्म भन्नु बित्तिकै चाहिँ हामीले चाहिँ एउटा के सोच राख्नुपर्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो जीवनको उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शनीहरू हाम्रोमा भएको राम्रो राम्रो कुराहरूलाई प्रदर्शनी गर्नु देखाउनु अनि जहाँ हाम्रो खानपानदेखि लिएर हाम्रो पहिचानदेखि लिएर हाम्रो पोषकहरूदेखि हाम्रो जुन प्रकारको हाम्रो सबैको आफ्नो जात जातको जुन एउटा पोषकहरू छ, पहिरनहरू छ, यो सबैले एउटा सोकेस गर्नुपर्छ। अनि हामी कस्तो खालको सोच राख्छौँ, एउटा जातिले विभिन्न राई जातिले कस्तो खालको खानपिन खान्छ, शेर्पाले कस्तो खान्छ, मगरले कस्तो खान्छ, प्रधानहरूको कस्तो छ, यो आफ्नो आफ्नो यो एउटा जुन प्रदर्शनी छ जहाँनिर हाम्रो जातीय पहिरनहरू लगाएर चाहिँ हामीले एउटा जुन चाहिँ गोर्खे भिलेज जहाँ चाहिँ सम्पूर्ण यहाँ आउनेहरू टुरिस्टहरूले यो जुन फेस्टमा आउने टुरिस्टहरूले चाहिँ त्यो जग्गामा गएर चाहिँ हाम्रो एउटा पहिचानलाई पनि देखाउन सकोस् भनेर हामीले यसपल्ट चाहिँ हामी जिटिए टुरिज्म यसमा लागि परेको छौँ।
GTA Executive Sabasar, Shri Northern Sherpa ji, we have among us Shri Amar Singh Rai ji, we have Arijit Mitra ED, the GDA, we have Nadong Bhutia and Bharat Chetri, the famous Indian Indian team ex-captain hockey team, and apart from that we have the people from our police fraternity and the common people of Darjeeling, the dignitaries from different wings of society, like from music, from tourism, from art and culture, from adventure tourism, and my friends from media. I'm very happy to announce that we are going to have the second edition of the Melody Fest. It was conceptualized last year and it was quite a successful event last year. So we had a fest of 3 days last year, but this time we are going to have the 5 days fest this year. And this time we are partnering with GTA, Gorkhaland Territorial Administration, and we are the equal partner in this whole event, and we are bringing together in front of you the Melody Fest to boost the tourism in Darjeeling. We have a very, very rich music culture, we have a rich traditional art and craft, all these kind of cultures in Darjeeling. So we want to provide a platform to showcase all these things to the entire world. So we started this as an initiative of community policing, and we were strongly supported by GTA. Without their support, it would not have been possible to have an event of this grand scale this year. So GTA and Darjeeling Police are bringing together in front of you the Melody Fest version 2. During this whole event, we'll be having whole 5 day, we will be having different kind of events. So I'll just brief a little bit on the events, and then you'll get to know what all we have planned this year and what are the things which are different from what we had last year. First of all, I would like to tell that why we started this thing, the Melody Fest. सबसे पहले नाम में ही लिखा है Melody. Many people might have some question, why Melody? So we have put two words together, melody and tea. Melody means music का समझ में आता सबको, and Darjeeling is quite famous for music. When I joined as SP some 1.5 years back, I could see the vibes, the culture. Everybody was walking on the road, every second person, third person on the road was walking with some guitar or some musical instrument, and I talked to a lot of people who are involved in the music culture and got to know that Darjeeling had a very, very rich musical heritage. Later on, after seeing all these things, definitely Darjeeling tea is quite famous. So I thought, why not to put these two words in a single word and come up with a name. So that's why the Melody has come from the word melody and tea. That's why we put the Melody Fest. So it signifies the Darjeeling and its music culture and a different tea of Darjeeling. So in Melody Fest, we are going to have this year the musical competition that we had last year. Last year we had a Western rock competition which has a prize money of around 10 lakhs, and beyond that we did not have any competition on the musical circuits. So this time we are going to have 3 musical competitions. वो दिखाया जाएगा आप लोगों को. So Western rock competition, it would be, the prize money total would be 12 lakhs, and we will be expecting people from all over India, and we are proud to tell that before the opening of the event itself, we are getting nominations from Bhutan also, so you can tell that Melody Fest has gone international. So apart from that, this time we have introduced a new Nepali rock competition to promote the local youth who are people of this area and who play the Nepali music. So it would be mainly catering to the people of this area, Kalimpong and maybe Sikkim, and some people from Nepal. So we would be having a prize money of 6 lakhs for that, first, second, third, सब सारा मिला करके, so that people, यहाँ के बच्चे, यहाँ के youth है, they have the platform and they perform on this ground, then they can be confident to perform on some other grounds all throughout the India. So this is the 2 event competition that we are going to have, and the third one would be just a solo music competition where anybody can come, play his or her own song with the guitar in his or her hand, and we will be having a prize money of 1 lakh for that. So this is a total prize money of 19 lakhs for the whole musical event, and as the Manoj was telling earlier, that no musical event in India had such a huge prize money, and we just wanted to attract the best talents of the whole India so that they get to see Darjeeling, they spread the word of Darjeeling throughout the India. Darjeeling का नाम ही काफ़ी है, but once they get to know Darjeeling में दार्जिलिंग की ब्यूटी एंड बाकी चीज़ों के अलावा ये भी एक नया चीज़ हो रहा है, it will bring more rush of people to Darjeeling, and definitely it will impact the lives of the common people. ज़्यादा लोग आएंगे, ज़्यादा टूरिज्म होगा, ज़्यादा लोगों को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी लाइवलीहुड का. So that would be the best thing that can happen for Darjeeling के लोग, Darjeeling के youth through these events. Apart from that, I am also very proud to announce that these 3-4 events shall be happening all throughout the night. Later on, during the daytime, with respect to musical event, these events are basically being held. But in the night time, the final day, every day we would be culminating with a marquee band performance. The first day, we would be having the famous Mantra band. You must be aware of them. They will be opening our Melody Fest on the first day. So give them a big round of applause. The band members, a few members are sitting over here. And I must tell, I am very, very grateful to them and the music community of Darjeeling to make this event their own event. उन्होंने खुद अपने कंधे पे बर्डन लेकर के they are doing everything for us. So I am very, very grateful to them. They have taken this as their own event. And I am very, very happy and hopeful that it will succeed into an even greater scale than what it had done last year. Last year we had around 90 to 100 bands who had applied, and we had just a period of 1 month to apply, but we have opened up this early, so we are hopeful that we will be getting very good number of band, and the rock culture of Darjeeling will again come back. I am hopeful of that. Next, after Mantra, there is a famous fusion Nepali band again. So I am attaching everything to the cultural tradition of Darjeeling. So that would be the Kutumba. They will be coming from Nepal, Kathmandu, and they will be playing on the second day after the band events. Third day, we would be having again basically band from the region of India, which is again quite famous for music, and that is the northeastern part of India, and we are having a band named About Us from Nagaland. It's a quite famous band. They'll be playing on the third day. And on the fourth day, you would be having the great, everybody must have heard about the band, Girish and the Chronicle, GATC. They would be performing on the last day. I am very happy to announce that GATC shall be judging the event of Western Rock competition as well. So the best band judging the best people who are on the music. So we would definitely be getting the best talent out of that. I am very, very hopeful that people will enjoy, and people will, and the youth who are involved in the music, they'll get the platform to showcase their talent. I am very happy again to tell you that last year जो event हुए थे, the first winner, the first prize winner was from Darjeeling itself. That was a really surprise, and nobody can tell that it was a fixed event. We had a very renowned band called Parikrama last year, and they had judged this event, and they judged the Darjeeling band as the first standing band in the whole competition out of almost 80 to 90 bands. So it was a proud moment for all of us. So this is about the music event that we are going to have. Later on, we are also going to have, like last year, the boards, the cultural and development boards. I am very thankful to them also. Many representatives from the boards have also come over here. I am very thankful to them that they made the event really a successful event last year. Last year I could see on some stalls of some development boards, the food, the items, it was getting finished quite early. I had gone for a food in one of the stall at 2 o'clock on the first day. I could not get the food because it was all finished. The next day also I went at 4 or 5 o'clock. The next day also 4 or 5 के आसपास सारा food finished. So I can understand कितने लोगों को मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे. I mean tribal and cultural and development boards जो हैं, उनका जो board का जो सारी चीजें उन्होंने setup की थी, people are really enjoying it. People enjoyed it. So I am hopeful that this year again they'll showcase an even grand level of participation that they showed to us last year. The board shall also be setting up a team for the fashion show. I could not believe my eyes when I saw the last year beautiful sartorial sense. People, they came out in very beautiful clothes, and then I realized Darjeeling mein itna variation hai, but nobody knew this thing. So this time also we are going to have the same thing, and apart from that we will be having in the cultural circuit some cultural music, some tribal music, dance. All these performances shall also be there on the main Chaurasta stage. This is with respect to promotion of culture, heritage of Darjeeling. So these are the events, main event that would be happening in and around Chaurasta area, and later on we would be having other events also going on simultaneously. We would be having a photography competition, photography exhibition, we would be having a art exhibition, and we would be having some kind of small events throughout the day. For example, we have planned for a dog show. Similarly, we have planned for some bee-bowing competition for the youth of Darjeeling. We have planned for rapping competition. So all the rules and regulations regarding that we will be framing out, and we will be putting it on our website and our social media pages. Please follow them so that you get to know what all we have to offer and what prize money that we have to offer for all the categories. So this is with respect to the events in and around Chaurasta area. Apart from that, this year चौरस्ता से थोड़ी दूर हम लोगों ने एक नया कोशिश किया है इस बार. इन कैपिटल हॉल वी विल बी डूइंग इट. एज ऑफ नाउ इट इज कैपिटल हॉल. वी आर हैविंग अ मूवी फेस्टिवल दिस टाइम. वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ गुड टैलेंट इन दार्जिलिंग हु आर really good in movie making and they are not getting opportunity to showcase their talent. So we would be having those movies screened after a screening by our team, core team, to be screened in the Capitol Hall proper auditorium mein on the screen, and best among them would be getting the prize money. Also the best movie shall also be showcased on Chaurasta itself, so people get to know किसने बनाया है movie और क्या बनाया है. This is the first introduction, that for new introduction this year. So these are the events that are around the Chaurasta area. The whole 18 to 22nd would be fun-filled days, and you can come and enjoy. Apart from that, this year we have also added a few circuits in Darjeeling Melody Fest, with great support of GTA, because without them it would not have been possible for us, because we are a police after all. We do not have so much of support and strength to execute in the ground level, and without the GTA it would not have been possible. That's why I am very, very thankful to Northern Sherpa ji. यहाँ आए हुए हैं GTA tourism के. Apart from that, the chief GTA, I'm very, very thankful to them for collaborating with us in this regard. This is going to develop the local people. This is going to empower the local people. So again, a big round of applause for the GTA who have really thought of all these things, and it will go a long way in making lives of the people quite better in coming times. Again, जो हम लोगों ने सर्किट प्लान किया है जीटी के साथ मिलकर के, one circuit is called adventure circuit. So we would be having some adventure activity that goes out in Darjeeling, that like paragliding, river rafting, rock climbing, trekking, these kind of things. But we are also adding one more thing with the Youth for Tourism people and GTA Tourism, an event called 13 Hikes of Darjeeling. That's why the event name is D Hike. D means Darjeeling Hikes. You can tell D से दो भी बोल सकते हैं, the hike. We want to make Darjeeling the hiking capital of India. In that regard, we have identified as of now 13 places in Darjeeling where the hiking can be done. The prime reason for that is not only this thing. There is one more thing that I have in mind. Darjeeling, you must all be aware of the traffic issues in Darjeeling. एंड ट्रैफिक क्यों होता है? क्योंकि लोग ट्रैवल करते हैं ज़्यादा गाड़ियों में. वी वुड बी प्रमोटिंग टूरिज्म बाय वॉक ऑल्सो इन दार्जिलिंग. सो वी हैव सफिशिएंट मैन पावर ऑन द ग्राउंड. हमारे पास जीटी टूरिज्म की टीम है, हमारे पास यूथ फॉर टूरिज्म की टीम हमारे पास है. वी वुड बी कोलैबोरेटिंग विद देम. दे वुड बी टेकिंग पीपल अराउंड इन दार्जिलिंग, एंड हाउ पीपल विल गेट बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ दैट. जो लोगों को ले जाएंगे वहाँ पे गाइड, वहाँ के लोकल एरिया के लोग रहेंगे. वहाँ पे जाएंगे, मोमो तो खाएंगे दार्जिलिंग में आके, वहाँ जाके कुछ ना कुछ तो खरीदेंगे ही. तो हाउ दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प, वहाँ लोकल लोगों को एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड उनको कुछ बेचने का मौका मिलेगा. एंड दिस वे द इकोसिस्टम शैल डेवलप एंड पीपल विल कम थ्रू आउट द ईयर. एज ऑफ नाउ दार्जिलिंग में 7 पॉइंट घूमते हैं लोग, बट आई वॉन्ट इट टू एक्सपैंड बियॉन्ड 7 पॉइंट्स इन दार्जिलिंग. दैट इज द प्राइम रीजन वी हैव थॉट ऑफ दैट. सो इन दैट रिस्पेक्ट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल दैट हम लोग कल सुबह 6:30-7 बजे के आसपास वी आर हैविंग अ new walk trail that we have designed, that is Red Panda walk trail, and we would be walking together with the chief GTA and other sabasas of GTA and the youth for tourism people and other interested people. Whoever are interested, they can definitely come and be a part of that event. What we want to promote through this event, from Chaurasta to Zoo, Strawberry and HMI, you need not take a car, need not take a gadiya, taxi. You can walk, just walk and have experience the beauty of Darjeeling. 2.5 किलोमीटर का वॉक है. This way the traffic congestion on that road shall be reduced, and at least for that stretch, क्योंकि वहाँ से नीचे जब उतरते हैं, सिंगमारी उतरते हैं लोग वहाँ से, that is a choke point. So that choke point can be easily managed if the vehicle coming from top is less. So one reason for that is again the traffic management. So we are partnering with Youth for Tourism and GT Tourism for this thing, for Darjeeling hikes. Next, we are also having a bird watching circuit this year. That's entirely a new thing that we have added this year. Darjeeling again has a lot of opportunity for bird watching in different parts. For example, you are aware of the Latpanchar area, Sivkhola area, Sitong area, Singalila, Senchel. You are aware of all these places. And these places have a huge potential opportunity for the birders. And this is a totally unorganized business as of now. People, by word of mouth, get to know who all are the guides in the area and which place needs to be visited, and they visit like that. But we are creating an ecosystem again through the Melody Fest and GTA Tourism ke saath mil karke. All the youths of those areas, they have collaborated with us. We will be putting up their names, they will be setting up the stall in the Chaurasta, and whoever comes to Darjeeling, they can book a 2-day, 1-day.
दुबईको निम्ति सेक्युरिटी गार्ड चाहिएको छ। मेल हाइट 5.6 इन्चेस अनि माथि, फिमेल हाइट 5.2 इन्चेस अनि माथि, क्वालिफिकेसन 10 पास, उमेर 21 देखि 35 वर्षसम्म, स्यालेरी 58,900, फ्री एकोमोडेसन, ट्रान्सपोर्टको सुविधा पनि रहेको छ। सर्ट लिस्टिङ भइरहेको छ। फ्युचर भिजन कन्सल्टेन्सी नियर इस्कन मन्दिर सिलगढीमा। कन्ट्याक्ट 9800866855।